Is the first time stop by my channel. My name is Atineke. So guys, we're going to be achieving this gorgeous lovely braids using Kinky twist hair. Yes guys, just keep on watching. Make sure you cut the tip of the Kinky hair, cut it off. We're not going to need that. So, and again, when you want to start braiding, make sure one part is longer than one. I mean the Kinky hair, the one part is longer than one. Then attach it to your hair. Then make sure you like round it, as in, I would like it. Make sure you round the Kinky hair, round your hair, so that it will be very easy for you to section. Yes, then section the longer one, section it into two, then you start braiding. So guys, just watch out for the final look of this hair. I've been wanting to use Kinky hair to actually make braids, but I don't really know what it's going to look like. I was like, okay, you have to do this. And guys, this is very lightweight, easy to pack into any style, easy to rock, as in, it's just as if I don't have anything on my head. Very easy. So guys, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your loved one. Thank you so much for all the amazing love. Thank you so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. Can you please make sure you relax, enjoy watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't drop yet the video. Watch to the end. Keep on watching. And make sure, please support your baby girl. part of the former braiding hair I was using. I mean kinky hair, because inside a pack it came of 5, but I used 5.5 pack to achieve this gorgeous hairstyle. So the new pack I got, the length was different from the one I was using before. So just watch and see what I did to actually achieve the same length with the other one. I'll have to attach from the under. Do not put on the top. It's going to show when you attach it from the top. Attach from the under, then keep braiding. I added twice because I noticed the length was still the same. You understand? So I added twice. Then I keep on braiding the hair. And guys, I forgot to mention, when braiding this hair, please and please do not tighten your hand. Make sure you loosen your hand. Don't tighten your hand. Your hand should be very, very loose, so that when you finish braiding, the hair won't stand as if, how will I put it? I don't know how to put it, so that it won't stand. When you stand, so when you loosen your hand, it's very easy for you to achieve this type of hair I achieved. Then towards the end of this hair, I noticed it was longer than some of the hair. So the thing I did was to fold the mouth, then I just wrap it towards the up a little. So this is what I'm talking about. So keep. Style this anyhow you want it. And guys, before I forget, you can easily dip yours into a warm water, not very hot water, so that the size won't shrink. You can